and welcome to my channel. My name is Apiakuma Miracle and I am excited to bring to you this wonderful C++ tutorial. So in this tutorial, if you are completely new to programming or you have some experience with other programming languages, don't worry, because with these tutorials, we are starting from scratch. The tutorial series is designed to help you get started with C++ from the ground up. Then, why should you learn C++? C++ is a powerful and high-performance programming language that have been there for decades. We use C++ to create a lot of applications in different domains. C++ can be used to create game development to system programming. Learning C++ will give you a deep understanding of how computer works, at the same time make you a better programmer in any programming language. So in this series, we will start from absolute basic and gradually build you up to the complex concept. We will cover everything that you need to get started with C++. We will start from setting up your development environment, writing your first C++ instructions, understanding the basic syntax and structure of C++, working with variables and data types, using control structures like loops and conditions, creating and using functions, working with arrays and string, understanding pointers and references, and also OOP, that stands for Object-Oriented Programming, and many more. For you to get most of this course, please watch the video, pay much attention to the videos and take notes. At the same time, code along with me. Please code along with me. And if you don't understand any concept, please make sure you rewatch that video again. Now, in the next video, you'll be looking at how you can set up your environment so you can now start writing our C++ instructions. Good day, and I'll see you there in a minute. Bye.